Comparative adverbs show how one person or thing does something differently from another. They compare the way actions happen. The three main examples are faster, more carefully, and better. These words help compare speed, care, and quality of actions between two people or things. Comparative adverbs compare how actions are performed between two people or things. They focus on the manner of the action, the degree of intensity, or the amount of time something takes. Use them when showing one action happens differently from another action. For one-syllable adverbs, add and then. She runs faster than him. For two or more syllables, usually ending in lie, use more plus the adverb plus than. He speaks more carefully than his brother. Some adverbs have irregular forms like good becomes better and well also becomes better. She runs faster than her brother. He speaks more carefully than his teacher. They work harder than most people. I arrived earlier than expected. The train moves more smoothly now. These examples show how comparative adverbs work in real sentences comparing two actions. Fill in the blanks with the correct comparative adverb. She sings more beautifully than her sister. He runs faster than his friend. They speak more softly than before. I arrived earlier than expected. Practice these patterns to remember the formation rules. She works more efficiently than I do. He ran faster than his brother. They arrived earlier than expected. I speak more clearly today. These sentences reinforce the patterns of adding to short adverbs and using more with longer adverbs. The correct answers are more beautifully, faster, more softly, and earlier. Notice the pattern. Short adverbs take longer adverbs take more. Always follow the comparative form with than when comparing two things or people. One-syllable adverbs add plus than. Two or more syllables use more plus adverb plus than. Irregular forms like good and well become better. Always use than after comparative adverbs. Never say more faster. Use just faster. Mastered formation rules. Practiced real examples. Learned key exceptions. Next, learn superlative adverbs which compare three or more things. Practice regularly to make comparative adverbs natural in your speaking and writing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.